currently I'm using the UGREEN NAS Pro here, which is the 6-bay unit using dual 10 gigabit connection on a Ubiquiti aggregate switch. My Mac Studio is also connected to Ubiquiti via Agg. Keep in mind the settings in order for this to work, even though I had it previously set to the aggregate on the Ubiquiti, I ended up having to switch it over to just basic switching in order for you to be able to utilize it. I'm not sure if it's a defect on the Ubiquiti side and or the UGREEN. I've been in contact with UGREEN support and we're currently working on trying to find a resolution. As you can tell, currently now I am actually getting the full 20 gigabits up and down on the unit, as you can tell. On the network side, I had to basically select adaptive load balance instead of the dynamic link aggregation bond. For some reason, when I used this setting, it didn't actually work. I was only getting still 10 gigs up and 10 gigs down, but not the 20. So by selecting the first option, I was able to see, as you can tell, get the 20 gigs